Hello, my name is Sungjin Park, and I'm from National Public Radio, or NPR for short. Today, I'll be talking about DNA barcoding. Now, you all may be wondering, what exactly is DNA barcoding? Well, DNA barcoding is a method of specimen, or just an organism in our case, identification using short, standardized segments of DNA. Every species has its own barcode, just as you and I have our own fingerprints. These DNA barcodes can be compared to a reference library to provide an ID, kind of like how they use our fingerprints to identify a person. Mhm. That's cool, right? It's sort of like scanning a barcode on an item in a store and knowing what it is if it's not labeled, where to find it in the categories or the sections of the areas, or just wondering where it came from, like the country. Oh, looks like we got a few frequently asked questions about DNA barcoding. Let's see what they're asking. Okay, looks like we got about five. Okay, here's the first one. How can the habitat of endangered species be protected by DNA barcoding? Well, here's what we found. Their findings show that DNA barcoding holds potential to help enforcement agencies identify illegal products that in hand can't be distinguished from um, legal imports. The success of the method should also help researchers better determine population status of species of conservation concern. Here's another one. How can DNA barcoding help protect endangered species from human activities? Here's what we found. DNA barcoding has been used to track the legal trade in wildlife and plants, monitor water quality, and even uncover the sale of endangered sharks in fish and chips. How can DNA barcoding help scientists assess ecosystem health? DNA barcoding provides a powerful tool for species identification and taxonomy. By comparing DNA barcode sequences obtained from unknown specimens to reference database of known species, researchers can accurately determine a species identity of an organism. How can the work of food inspectors benefit from the use of DNA barcoding? Effective DNA barcode markers have been developed to correctly identify species. The US FDA approved the use of DNA barcoding for various food products. DNA barcoding technology can be used as a regulatory tool for identification and authenticity. How can the spread of invasive species and the pests be reduced by DNA barcoding? DNA barcoding can be used to discover what chemicals that will kill the insects more efficiently and faster, but not harm people, aka, better pesticides. We could also use DNA barcoding to identify the insects and use pesticides that'll kill those particular insects. Alright, looks like that's all that we have for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed listening to what I have researched, and I hope you learned something cool about DNA barcoding. See y'all later. Bye.